What's up guys, welcome back to the Dorky and 40 RC channel. I am Chad. Today we're finally going to answer that question. Does a slipper eliminator really make a difference? Well, everybody says yes, a few people say no. I want to know myself. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple test rips on the DR10 with the slipper that we're using, carbon fiber pads currently. We're going to see how that does, what kind of times we get. We're not going to change the tune, none of that stuff. We're going to put the eliminator on there and see if we get any improvement. Here, looks like I'm a little crooked. So I am running eliminators on the DR10 and on the Breakout chassis, which is a B6 platform. I'm using the Exotech versions. I'll show those here right now on the screen for you. The one for the Breakout and the one for the DR10. They seem to be the consensus of the ones that are the go-to for people, and they've been working out very well for me. Here's a close-up shot of it. Basically all it does is just go right there on the end of your spur, replaces everything on the motor there, and you just screw it down with the same bolt that you have and you're good. Now you will have to replace your spur gears. I'm using Kimball spur gears. They go up to they go up into the hundreds, but I think that one now is an 87. Been messing around with gearing a little bit. Gonna show you some action from the past couple weeks of me testing it, how it first started out. Now keep in mind, these things are way easier to take advantage of if you have something like a DRK or a Sanwa M17 or even the Futaba, something where you can control your hit, your point, anything, your launch percentage. Because if you don't get your launch percentage under control with prep, practice, all that kind of stuff, then your life is just going to be miserable. If you don't want to put the time into all that, I would recommend just going with the original setup with the carbon fiber pads from Brood RC, I think it is. I used to run those before that and had a lot of success with them. You can never take away the power of lately is switching things up to 66 feet, because if you can make it 66 feet, you can probably make it 132. So I just did a 181 at 43 miles per hour. And that was with the slipper eliminator and throttle punch of 75. Very low tune, a startup power of like 35%. So now we're gonna see how high we can increase that and see if we can decrease that 66-foot time using the eliminator. But I'm still in control. Okay. Wow, 1.710, 48 miles an hour. So I would definitely say the slipper eliminator is the way to go. First launch stage up to 40, which is pretty good for this road. We're gonna try one more time and we're gonna see if we can put it at 50. Getting greedy, things are changing, the roads are changing, and I am getting lazy and I'm starting to make some mistakes. So we're gonna shut that DR10 down before we cause any damage to it. Had a gargantuan hit that you could see in the GNS that was in my pocket. So we'll never know until the next time that we're out.